Naloxone, better known as Narcan, has been heralded as a life-saving measure as the Commonwealth continues to fight an opioid epidemic. Now, thanks to a partnership with the Barren River Health Department, the Warren County Sheriff's Office will be able to provide naloxone kits to help those facing addiction. WBKO's Sarah Phipps spoke with the Sheriff's Office about the partnership and what it means for the community.
Warren County Sheriff's Hightower and the department who leave behind naloxone kits are the next step in their efforts to combat drug use.
So last year, in 2023, there was 31 overdose deaths in our community, and so we had really tried to push out in a lot of different areas naloxone to different people within user groups that unfortunately have addictions.
Between 2023 and 2024, overdose deaths dropped over 50% in Warren County, a trend Hightower hopes this program will continue in 2025.
Education and information is one of the major factors we see in turning the page with people who have these drug addictions, and so if we can put right at their fingertips a resource that they can easily access in that low point in their life, that we think that that's going to help maybe turn them to a better decision, a better choice.
Along with 2 doses of naloxone, kits include aids like fentanyl test strips, resources for recovery and crisis help, and instructions on how to stop an opioid overdose.
So I think our folks understand that we can't make decisions for everybody. We understand that we are responsive to sometimes poor decisions, but we're going to always do what we need to do in order to preserve life. And so, our staff is behind this.
Hightower added he hopes in making these resources accessible, it also helps people living with those facing addiction.
And that's what a lot of people don't understand is not just the person that has the addiction, but it's the parents, it's the siblings, and many times, unfortunately, it's the children who see firsthand when a parent makes a very poor choice, and law enforcement has to show up and do life-saving measures and EMS and all the things that come in with that. It's impactful in a very negative way.
Deputies will have kits in their cruiser that they can leave behind after responding to crisis. In Bowling Green, Sarah Phipps, WBKO News.
The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention placed Kentucky in the top 5 states with the highest naloxone dispensing rates per 100 persons in 2023.